The Camillus Dominator 2, $15 at Walmart, like $14.97. 3CR13 stainless steel. Totally unnecessary knife purchase. Based on the videos that I've been watching on it, that has good, I was going to say that the thumb tab, or the flipper tab there, looks to be a little sharp. Anyway, great lockup on the liner lock. Glass-filled nylon handle, lanyard hole, 3-inch blade, 7 inches overall. Not a deep carry pocket clip. I'm okay with the skeletonization on the handle on this one. That's not too heavy. I'm glad. I thought these were metal. I thought this was going to be a steel handle, so I'm glad it's not, because it really makes a difference to me. So I like everything about this knife. Let me try out this little tab here. So I don't think it said quick launch or anything on it. Usually it does, if it's got like a bearing system. So it flips pretty good. Yeah, I mean, I guess if you're doing some hard use and you're not wearing gloves, this could pinch a little right here. But for the majority of the things I would use this for, it's not an issue. So I'm glad I bought it. I mean, I'm not sure about glad, but I don't feel like it was a wasted purchase. DDR, Dance Dance Revolution design. I don't know, I can't even read this. I need a magnifying glass. I'm blind. But anyway, yeah. This probably would be the only thing I would change. I guess I could take a file to it if I really wanted to, and smooth it out, but it's not a big deal. Yeah, the clip, I don't feel any hot spots on the clip for me. So there you go. Camillus Dominator 2, $15 at Walmart. Yeah, I don't think it said that it had bearings. And, man, I am so off on the camera. I don't think, they don't look like bronze, but they don't look like, definitely don't look like Teflon or plastic, so, it's really smooth. Interesting. Now it's centered. Look at that.